has paraded to the arena in San Juan City to support their team despite the situation that they are in right now, trying to stop the bleeding as they take on National University, who starts off this game with 4 service errors.
Yes.
Not helping their cause. Aiko Urdas.
The defense of Ateneo. Oh! Valdez hits it into the tape or into the net from the back row.
All right, let's go now to the NU side and hear from Kat Salao.
It's clear that the Lady Eagles need to break their losing streak, while Coach Francis and the Lady Bulldogs will try to all their very best not to give the Ateneo the win. The top 3 biggest issues for the Lady Bulldogs is that 1, they tend to relax in the middle of intensity. 2, they give away points with unforced errors. And number 3, it takes them a while and a few points to bounce back. But Coach Francis admits his excitement for this game bursts from the attitude of the girls that the girls showed during training. Mas angat ang Lady Bulldogs, and he's positive that NU can win for as long as they work as a team. That's why the NU Lady Bulldogs are solid offensively and defensively among the UAAP teams. And according to Coach, kailangan lang nilang talagang maniwala sa sarili nila, umawi ng mabilis at huwag bitawan ang Lady Bulldog fighting spirit. Anton and Ian?
Thank you, Katz, for that report. As Katz was delivering her report, NU committing their 5th service error.
And now it's a spiking error, no touch from the block. That was a long ball from Pablo. Now it's a 5-point lead. I was just speechless a minute ago because, you know, NU, 5 service errors, that's too much already. Another one of those.
And early on, Coach Francis Vicente rings the alarm to settle his troops down.
Bigyan mo ulit. Okay? Hindi po pwedeng isa-isa. Tapos isa-isa. Hindi po pwede. Pagbigyan mo pa ng pagkakataon. O ngayon, nagkamali siya. Ano susunod? Unexpectedly, bibigay mo sa kanya. Bibigay mo ulit sa kanya. Yung mga ganun. Hindi po pwedeng nagkamali lang ito. Yung isang bibigyan mo. Naintindihan? Eh, hindi naman siya nagkamali dahil sa set mo eh. Nagkamali lang siya sa kamay eh. National.
Yeah!
Well, Coach Francis saying that, of course, go to your percentage attackers.
Back on Austria.
And Pablo earlier made a spiking error. Gusto sana ni Coach Francis, pagbigyan mo pa, bigyan pa ng isa. Well, get her confidence going. The number 1 option whenever she's in front. And that early mistake of hers, you gotta give her another chance to redeem herself.
Pablo did just that, getting that ball through the 2 blockers of Ateneo. Ivy Perez. Another service error. That is number 6. Those are just freebies for Ateneo.
And you know, Anton, what they say about the serve, it's a mental thing. You know, there's only you, the net, the ball.
Pablo. Denied by Ho and Kainglet. Hervasio. Dug up by Reyes. Santiago from the back row. Popped up by Z. Ferrer. Tosses it up. Phil Kainglet. Nothing there. One more time. Kainglet. Still, NU slams the door on her.
Phil not able to get any ball across so far. The blockers of NU all over Kainglet.
13-8. Can NU weather the storm?
Oh, service ace. Oh, not yet. Kept alive by Valdez.
Dadang. Perez now. Kai flies in. Urdas pops that one up. It's a free ball for Ateneo. Valdez. Who will Ferrer set it up to? Z had to adjust. We're having a lot of long rallies here in the early going, Doc.
Almost saved by Dinden, but this one sails out. Good defense again Ateneo.
Let's take a look at it one more time.
Solid block. Si Herbacio closing out the block.
Perez to Santiago. And gives the two blockers a little bit of a stare. Let's take a look at it one more time. An Oishi oh wow moment of the game. Different angle. Oishi oh wow open up to everyday surprises. A near service ace for Myla Pablo. But Ateneo unable to get it across.
Good serve there from Pablo.
Ferrer to Gretchen Ho. Jen Reyes do not handle that one.
Gretchen Ho, 3 points right now in this first set.
Herbacio now to serve for the Lady Eagles. And you having difficulty with that first ball. And Ateneo, inspired by the return of Phil Cainglet, leads NU in the first set 16-10.